Hey, good morning. It's December 5th. We're still in Valladolid, and we walked from the hotel this morning. We're at the monastery, which I'll show you in a second. So here you actually see the sign, which are many pictures. Anyway, just kind of giving you a feel for what it looks like here. Lots and lots of colored houses. Beautiful town. Really enjoyed it. So here's the monastery. There's Hester wave. Alright, so let me walk up closer. Well, we discovered that it's Monday, and every Monday they're closed. So we could have done with a bit more planning, but anyway, it's still a lot of fun to watch this. So we walked the avenue or street of the friars, which is beautiful homes. We took a lot of pictures. And I'll convert them into a little clip and post them as well. So look at this. Here's the entrance to the monastery. This is kind of what it looks like. It's a lot cooler here too, subtly. Anyway, so I'll post it later today.